fellow wanderers, this is Vicky and Bernie again from Wilson Wanderlust. Welcome to our channel. This time, please join us explore the city of Iloilo. Backstory, it was middle of February this year when we started our vacation by joining our son's birthday celebration in Boracay. Oh, please check out our Boracay part 1 and part 2 vlogs. Prior to that, we already have an invitation from one of my high school classmates to visit him in Bacolod. So we decided that since we are already in Katiklan area, we might as well travel by land going to Bacolod and pass by Iloilo and Guimaras Island. So from Katiklan Port, it took us about 6 hours by bus to reach Iloilo City. We stayed at Goldberry Hotel. This is for 2 nights and 3 days. This is actually our second time to book this hotel. We also have booked here before, a few years back actually, and we were happy as it was located in the city center and very accessible to everything. It's a nice little hotel with yummy complimentary plated breakfast by the Rabbit Hole restaurant. It also has a small indoor swimming pool. However, the second time around, it did not make us happy, and I won't elaborate, but it was not a so good experience. On our first day, we came in very late, and so we decided to just sleep in and rest our tired bodies. The following day, we had breakfast at the Rabbit Hole. I really enjoy their hotel restaurant because they serve good food and sumptuous breakfast. My favorite, Spanish sardines for breakfast, really good. Ambience is really nice and they have good music. After breakfast, we started our city tour. We mostly did a walk tour and then rode some public transport. First, we visited Sunburst Park, which is just a few steps away from our hotel. It was a nice park to enjoy a little rest from walking the area. It is also where the Museum of the Philippine Maritime History is located. Unfortunately, we were not able to get in as it was closed that day. Number 2 on our agenda is to visit the Plaza Libertad, which is just about 2 minutes walk from the Sunburst Park. It was a nice little park with comfortable seats and picnic areas. This is also where the Museum of Philippine Economic History and also the new Iloilo City Hall is located. Unfortunately, it was a holiday, so we missed to enter these facilities. In the same location is the San Jose Placer Parish Church, where we were able to stay a bit and offered some prayers. Thankful for the blessings of travel. Our next location, the historical Arroyo Fountain, which was built in 1927, located at the heart of the city and front of the old provincial capital. The rotonda itself marks the kilometer zero of the whole Panay Island. In the same area is the Casa Real, which was built in 1869. This building used to be the old provincial capital, hence it holds a lot of historical pieces on display. It was nice visiting old places like this, as we could go back in history. Next stop was the Haro Metropolitan Cathedral. It is the first and only declared Marian church in the Visayas and Mindanao areas. Just across the street of the church is the old Campanario de Haro. This is also known as the Haro Belfry. It served both as religious structure and as a military watchtower against invaders, including the Moros during the Spanish colonial period. Around the city, we can still see a lot of old buildings, establishments, and other houses, and old houses, I mean. That was a tiring tour for seniors like us. So we decided to go back to the motel and rest and had a little swim. Well, Bernie did. Me? Nah, I can't, as the water was really cold. We had the pool to ourselves though. The day was early, so we decided to dine out. We took a cab and asked the driver to take us to where good food is and have fun activities. He took us to the Festival Mall. It was a beautiful sight of lights and colors. It's a night banchetto. We took a table and enjoyed food from participating stores. Oh, and we stayed long listening to live street singers or buskers. So that's our Iloilo City tour. Hope you enjoyed our vlog. Watch out for the coming Guimaras Island tour. Please share, like, and subscribe. See you next time!